Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video here on Vaulty. We are once again on rain.gg. We have 1000 coins to play with, and before this video starts, if you yourself want to play on rain, don't forget to head over to deposit, apply code Vaulty, either 24 hours, 3 days or 7 days, hit apply. If you do so, you will automatically join our 700 coin weekly leaderboard, and you will also get a 5% deposit bonus on all your deposits, so don't miss that out. Okay, what should we start with? Should we join this? I think we're gonna go balls deep today. We're gonna join this 378 coin battle straight away. This is a big first battle. This is more than a third of our balance. Okay, that's not good that we hit. Jonken case, come on. Go down. Okay. Last case. Addicted. Addicted needs to hit. Okay, it's gonna be a 50-50. We need this. No, okay, wait. This could be really good. Only if we hit this. Fire Serpent! Double Fire Serpent! Come on! Purple! Yo, boys, what a fucking start! 5.4k straight away! First battle of the video, we are already up 1.8 fucking k, boys! What the fuck? What is that start? It's the second top item, we just got a double hit. We're up to 2.4k, boys. Let's see. We couldn't ask for a better start than we just had there. So I'm so happy. Okay, that's not so good that we hit, but the other team hits more than us. Give us a gold. How much is that? It's a red. 900, okay. Okay, wait, boys, this is so fucking good. Yo, wait. How much is this gonna be? Gold here and it's huge. That's 5k. It's 5k. No, how do we lose that? 7k. What is happening in this video? How did we lose that? They had 13%. 6.9k, what the fuck? That's insane, I'ma run it back, what the fuck? The hits in this video is crazy. But how did they manage to win on fucking 13%? I want revenge. Autograph. Yo, boys! Wait, why is it paying so much? Why is the battles paying this much? Only reds. Already 2.5k. Last case. Okay, don't lose this. Don't lose this. Boys, that's another fucking 3k. Yo. Why are the battles insane today? Think that's a good start. It is for us. Now we just need hits on the other boys. So I'm in the lead right now. Okay, not anymore. Now it's even. Okay. Now we're talking. Bless us with a good hit now. How much is that? That has to be 1k. 1.3k! Okay, boys. Don't make me lose this. Don't make me lose this. Last case, don't fuck me over. I'm in the lead right now. Nah, we just lost. Fuck, but that paid 1.5k. I'ma run it back once more. Holy shit, that could have paid. Okay, great start. Right guy just needs to hit. If bot 5 hits now, We're talking money already. How much is the jet set? It has to be more. No, 450, okay. Not as good as the Vulcan. Okay, now we're even. Now we are even. Give me the Mac 10. Okay! This is really good. We're in the lead. We're in the league. The big. Okay, we fucking lost. If you talk too soon, you get fucked over, apparently. How much? 145, okay. The two guys on the right need to hit. Yeah, we need a double hit on 19 and 5. Otherwise, we're done. Yeah. I mean, the battles are paying. Look, 700 coins. Almost 1k. 2 versus 2 crazy jackpot. One of the bigger, I think this is the biggest 2 versus 2 battles we ever done. Let's see. We want to see an early ticket on these 1% cases on the right side now. If we see on the IOP case or the Melody case on the right side now, we are talking big money. There's a lot of cases left, so I do have my trust in. Okay, almost got the first spin there on our side. Come on. 6 out of 15 cases, not a single spin yet. What is happening? Ah, this is not good. Where are the spins, bro? What's happening? Only 6 cases left, come on. But now there's only big cases. Okay, that's good, that's good. That's really good. Now, top item, give us a gold. Ah, how much is that? It's only a red. 800, it's not enough. Not enough. Okay, but fuck, now this guy needs to hit. If Rainbot 10 doesn't hit now, we're done for it. Stop. Yo! Okay. Rainbot number 10, if you don't hit. Stop! No! Rainbow 10! Rainbow 10 needs to hit! 2 cases left! If he hits, this is gonna be so big. This is at least 3k. 2.5. No way, no way, no way, how much? Okay, boys. If he doesn't hit, we're up to 6k. Oh my fucking god, what's happening? Last case, Jonken case. Bot number 10 needs to hit. Oh my fucking god. Bot 10, please. Bot 10, do it. No, okay, 14%, please. Please, let us hit. Stop, 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 stop. Yes, boys! Let's fucking go! 7.9k! That's 3.6, no, 3.9k each! What the fuck? Let's do 50 and 50 here. That's absolutely crazy. We've never hit this big before. 500 coins. 3 versus 3. Normal jackpot. Bum. Holy shit. I don't think we will reach 5k anytime. Okay, and we are already hitting 5% case. We don't want to see a red, we want to see a gold. Gold straight away now. Start us. Ah, okay, that's really bad. 400, I think. No, 300. Okay, that's really bad. Okay. So far this is not looking good. Okay. That's a hit. It's not okay. We take it, we take it. Fountain case. Okay, that's bad. That's bad. Okay, that's only 400. We can live with that. We can live with that. 3 cases left. So far it's not even money back though. These last 2 cases really needs to hit. Beast 2.0, do it. I mean, 250, we take it. Phoenix, last case. No. Can we at least get money back? Let's see. We do get money back. 500 coins. This might be the last battle of the video. I wanna get a nice and big cash out today. Let's see, Jonkin case. Okay, horrible start. Horrible start. Don't give me that. Oh my god. If we got the fucking AK there, I would have lost it. Addicted. Okay, that's good. That's good. It gives us more percentage. Unfortunately, it's only a pink. 700. Last case. Ah, okay. Can we snipe this somehow? Top. Nah, that's blue. Let's try this. 2 versus 2. Crazy jackpot. We should have left when we were at 5k, but now we just have to keep on going, I guess. Okay. No, it's not even a double spin. I were for sure that was a double spin. And it's not even a good hit. Fountain, right side. Don't go down. Good. Okay, now there's only 4 cases left. We kinda need to hit. And that's right now. What's even in the crans? Okay, only good shit. Okay. That's more like it. That's more like it. We're gonna have so much percentage. Give us a crazy gold. That's not what I'm after, but okay. Okay, last case, popcorn. We need a good hit on popcorn now. Okay, at least we have 84%. 77. We do win. Not even money back though. Let's do this. 4-way crazy. Bam. Last battle of the video. If we lose this, it doesn't matter. We still got up to 4 fucking K today. Could have cashed out 5k, but I'm happy with 4k as well. So let's see now. Okay, the battle is going. Starting off with 3 1% cases. Hit in one of these cases in the beginning on the right side would be really big. Okay, no 1% tickets. I can live with that. Hard boiled. That's super nice. Okay. Okay, that's not super good, but still 371. As long as we don't get any hits, it's fine. Okay, 3 cases left, no hits on us. Which one is worst? Okay, we're in the lead. We're in the lead. As long as we don't hit anything. But this is just money back, that's the thing. Last case, anywhere. Ah, okay, we do win, but it's only money back, if even that. Yeah, we even lost a bit of money. We just missed 2 5x. Ah, 3 versus 3 crazy jackpot, bam. Last battle of the video. If this hits, it's gonna be big. If it doesn't hit, we don't care. Okay, no spin. Go down. Okay, boys, this could be huge. This could be so big. I just know this could be big. Give us a gold here. No, that's only 900. I'm pretty sure we lost. Yeah, we lost, boys. Now we're just gonna go in here. We're gonna do this. 50 on the 5. We're gonna do this a few times. We're not gonna do this many times though. Yeah, that's another loss. Okay, now we're kinda rinsing money here. Yeah, we're kinda rinsing money now. Shit, this was not the plan. You know what? We are not done. Either we cash out 3k or we win on this one. I feel like we haven't had enough. We haven't had enough. Hopefully we haven't had enough. Because right now we are kinda rinsing money. Oh my god, we're rinsing so bad. Oh, that's not good. Not good that it's on our side. 600, 900. Okay, 1.1k. Still need one more hit on this side. We still need one more hit on this side. No way. Oh my god. Last case. Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. No. Can we at least get money back? No. I don't know what's wrong with me. We lost 3k so far, but sometimes that's just gonna happen. Sometimes it just be like that. Five cases left. Rainbow 2 needs to hit, or we're done. Still hasn't hit. Okay, he needs to hit. If he doesn't hit, the battle is not gonna pay for itself, and yeah. Okay. Now we need to hit. Like, for real. No fucking way. How much is that? 6k, okay. Other team needs to hit now. Last case. He needs to hit. Rainbow 2, please. Just hit something. Oh my fucking god. Okay, we have 5%. Okay. This might be the biggest lost we ever done, but you know what? Let's go in here and bam. 1.9k battle, 2 versus 2, 18 cases. The start is looking promising. That's all I'm saying. This start is looking promising. Okay, really promising. That's 1.7k. Okay, okay. I'm still in here, I'm still in here. It's only a red, we can live with that. There's 16 cases left. But right now it's a 50-50. If Rainbow 19 doesn't hit, we are so fucked. And we need the pot to reach at least... I want to see this pot reach 10k. Okay, that's good. That's good. What's in this case? Good shit. Give us a gold and it's super good. Yo, okay boys. 1.6. It's already money back. It's already money back and it keeps on going. There's a lot of cases left. Okay, not the best item, but still 274. Okay, just keep on feeding. Keep on feeding. 10 cases left and they are all expensive. Come on, we need this to be 10k. Reach us to 10k. Okay, that's good. This could be it. This hit could be it. Stop. Nah, that's so ass. That's so ass. Come on, 7 cases left. Don't fuck me over. Okay, Jonken case, do it. Just fucking do it. Okay, another 900, we take it. Starting to getting scary. If we hit now, it could be so over. These last cases are super scary. Holy shit. How much is that? 1.4. It's at 7k right now. 7k pot. 2 cases left. They have 14%. I'm kinda scared. I'm kinda scared. Last case. Last case. Don't fuck us over. Don't give us a gold. Don't lose this. Somehow, don't lose this. Stop, 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 stop. Okay, good. Okay, good, 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 good. That's it for today, boys. We're gonna end it there. 3.8k. 3.8 fucking k. Now we just need to reach 4k here. Quick. 120 there. That's all we need. We've been recording for 33 minutes, so I want to end this video right now. Stop. Okay, good. That's it. That's it. 4k, boys. We're gonna end the video at 4k. We could have had 5k. I was rage betting a bit there at the end, but you know what? We're gonna draw the line here, 4k cash out, and yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. If you would like to play on Rain yourself, don't forget to head over to deposit, use code Vaulty and apply. If you do so, you will join our 700 coin weekly leaderboard, and you will also get a 5% deposit bonus on all your deposits. So yes, see you boys in the next video.